Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wealthfront savings account. First, open your Wealthfront cash account online. The process is quick and straightforward, usually taking just a few minutes. Next, link your existing external bank account. This allows for easy transfers of funds between your accounts. Finally, make an initial deposit to fund your new savings account and start earning interest right away. Once your account is set up, managing your money is simple. You can easily transfer funds between your Wealthfront account and any linked external bank accounts. Access your cash when needed using your debit card or by initiating a transfer. Regularly monitor your account balance and transactions to stay informed. Consider setting up automatic transfers to build your savings consistently. Wealthfront offers several benefits to help your money grow. You'll earn a competitive interest rate on your entire balance, maximizing your returns. Your funds are protected by FDIC insurance up to $8 million, providing peace of mind. Take advantage of automated financial planning tools to optimize your goals. Explore linking to other Wealthfront services for a comprehensive financial strategy. Before you fully dive in, remember a few key considerations. Be aware of any daily or monthly limits on transfers to and from your account. It's also wise to review the tax implications for any interest you earn. Always keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive important communications. If you have any questions, Wealthfront's support team is available to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.